This is the first Ramadan and I hope that I will keep making the videos for rest of the month. So yeah, Assalamu alaikum. So I just finished my interview with NPU University, and I think the panel was consisted of 4 members. There were 3 male professors and there was 1 female professors in the panel. One of the professors was from the university in which I was applying directly, and I have made a list of the questions that I was asked. So I thought maybe it would be helpful for you guys if you are going to apply for an interview, I guess. I just finished my interview an hour ago and now I'm trying to make this video. The interview was supposed to be of 15 minutes, but it lasted only 5 minutes. And the first question that I was asked was to briefly describe my introduction. And the second question was if I have any work experience. The third question was why this particular university and what do you know about this. And then there were 2 technical questions. One was open and closed loop systems, and the other technical question was what are PID controllers. And then the last question was what was the university in which I graduated from and what was my major subjects in the university. So I will go over all of these questions one by one. The first question was the self-introduction, and I think I went with my name. My name is Hassan and I'm an electrical engineer from GC University, Lahore. I graduated in 2018, and I think I did mention a few things related to my hobbies, but I'm not really sure right now. Then there was the second question, do I have any work experience? I mentioned that I had a work experience of 1 year where I worked in polymer industry related to energy conservation plants, and that was pretty much it. Then they asked me why NPU and if I had any information related to the university before. So I mentioned that I have read quite a lot on internet, and then I watched a few videos on YouTube, and I mentioned that they have a brain computer interface lab and there was a team already working on this project, and I thought maybe that was something I was really interested in. I can get some help on that thing. Then there were the technical questions. The first one was PID controllers, and I thought the first one was not PID controller, it was the open and closed loop system. Although the answer would have been varied, but this particular scholarship program is for control sciences, so I thought it would be much better if I can keep the answer direct to the whatever the topic was. So I mentioned it in sense of a control system, like if the input of the system is fed by the output of the same system and the system is continuously monitored and controlled, it is called a closed system, and if there is no feedback loop system, then it is an open loop system. And then there was PID controllers. I think I messed up this one a little, but I still got the name right. It is partial integrated and differentiated circuit. It is basically used to control the speed and direction of a motor. I think it was a stepper motor, but I'm not really sure at this point. Then there was the question that what was the university in which you graduated from, and can you give me a brief introduction to your university and what was your major subjects. I think I messed up here a little. I introduced my university as the 3rd largest university in Pakistan. I am not really sure why. I have graduated from GC University Lahore, but to be honest, it is nowhere in top 10 universities of Pakistan. So yeah. I think that does not count a lot because I got nervous and I messed up a little. And then they asked me what was my major subjects. I basically mentioned all of the subjects I had. I mentioned I took some courses related to programming and then mechanical engineering and then telecommunication, but my major was in machine learning, sort of machine learning and Python. So yeah, that was pretty much the interview, and I think the results are going to come out next month. I think I did quite good. I'm not really sure if I will. I already have the admission. This one was for scholarship, so I hope this one goes really okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this one might be of some help to you guys. See you soon. Goodbye. It is first Ramadan, and I hope that I will make a few more videos down the line. It is the first Ramadan, and I hope that I will continue